say it's not a reaper. Say now you go be manipulator. Now you go call people out, still go club with them. After you shop life with them, you go call them out again. Now, this man don't help your life. Chinese man help your life, give you brand. Chinese man give you money, lodge you for hotel, give you food, flight you, clothe you. Why you dey spoil the brand?
Ẹ̀yin tèmi wàhálà ńlá ti ṣẹlẹ̀ o bí arákùnrin tí a mọ̀ sí Portable ṣe pé VERYDARKMAN ó pè síta o wípé ó ní olórí burúkú ni wípé yóò jẹ́ ó ní yóò tún máa gbógun ti àwọn tí wọ́n help rẹ̀ ó tún fi pẹ̀lú rẹ̀ wípé ó yẹ kán pa ni ó ní ó yẹ kán pa VDM ní àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ tí Portable sọ nìyí ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa ẹ jẹ́ ká gbọ́ látẹnu Onípọ̀n.
Why spoiling Chinese man brand? You are a manipulator. I tell you say you go jam agbako. That your character, you go do and reach where be say they go jail you. Hey, you shall see, Chinese, you shall see. Say, can't you do petition? Me rolling one. Show you man, show you poker police. Police is so jan. Nah, nini, VERYDARKMAN, nah, nini. Me de jail. Show you man, show you poker police. Police is so jan. Nah, nini, VERYDARKMAN, nah, nini. Me de jail up. Yo, mọ̀ṣímọ̀ ẹ pa ẹnu tó ti fi jẹ yẹn tó tún wá fi bú yẹn pa mi àná ṣọṣímọ̀ ọmọ ẹ pọlọpàá ẹ competition sì ní di kẹ́nìkan gbé in China may they arrest am from China may they come pick am from Nigeria may they jail am from China may they come return am may they use 3 months inside 3 months jailing in China. After that one, come Kuje, back to Kuje. How I lo aye si Kuje, o ma pari aye ni Kuje prison. Koni Kuje, VERYDARKMAN, oh ni Kuje. Why you don't shop? Why you dey spoil people's brand? Lórí boko. Ẹ wo ṣọ́ọ̀ṣì, ṣàní ṣọmọ ìyẹn jáde tán. Ìyẹn ní ṣọmọ ṣọ. No, I feed him, I clothe him, eat your food. Hello. Chinese Rolls Royce, Rose Bus, that VDM is a manipulator. Don't answer him. Write petition, let them pick him. Shani Shamaya, OYE, China. Let me tell you something. This time you come out for him, for EFCC, that they should release him. It did not talk that one. Now it's probably your branch.